What's up, guys? Josh, Andro Corp. If you guys are going to be coming out to our Andro Fest 2022, this is going to be the featured rifle we're going to be giving away. Got a couple components on here donated by some of our affiliates. We got Fast Twist Defense donating a Vortex Strike Eagle 1-8, SLR donating one of their 15-inch solo handguards. There is a 16-inch Hansen Ballistic Advantage barrel donated by Ballistic Advantage, obviously. Our 5.56 RRD brake, those will be on the site soon. And deadlock coatings, dress this thing up nice with our Andro cam. So let's get a test fire in here. Clear. All right, come see us.